You how to make a quick and healthy meal. I took half a cup of bulgur, add some salt, pour boiling water to cover the bulgur. Not too much, just you cover. Close it and leave it until we set up the other ingredients. Heat the pan and I am adding avocado oil. You can use any oil. You can use olive oil or sesame oil, coconut oil, but I am using avocado oil. These are the ingredients I am going to use. This is chopped garlic, onion, red and white I cut it, and small carrot, celery, I sliced them, thin sliced, and red peppers, cabbage. This is a green chili, one chili I sliced, but this is optional. If you like it, if you don't want, then you can avoid that one. Then this is bok choy. I chopped one small bok choy. First I am going to add the garlic. When the garlic starts light brown, and you can have the fragrant. Now add the onion. Lightly saute the onion, then add the carrot, peppers, celery, and the cabbage. Saute the vegetables. Now I am adding fish sauce. That makes good flavor. If you are fully vegetarian, you avoid the fish sauce. Now I am adding the rice vinegar. A tablespoon of rice vinegar. It will balance all the taste. It's kind of light acidic taste it will give you. Add the light soy sauce. One cup of rotisserie chicken. The leftover chicken I am using from yesterday, from last night. That's the one. 1 cup of rotisserie chicken. If you like, you can add some cracked chili. This is optional. If you like it more spicy, you can add, otherwise avoid this one. And the green chilies. Mix well. Pinch of sugar. Adding bit of chili sauce. My son likes more spicy, that's why I'm adding bit spicier. If you don't like, avoid the crushed chili and add the chili sauce a little bit. That's enough, not too much. Now I am going to add the chopped bok choy. Crack some salt if you need. First taste it. If you need, crack some salt. And pepper. Add the bulgur. Some lemon juice. Mix it well. It is ready.